Hi there. I'm Siddharth, co-founder and head of growth at CloudFiles. CloudFiles is a very innovative solution to the file sharing problem. As a HubSpot user, your files might be in Google Drive, OneDrive, SharePoint, or your local storage, while your processes are in HubSpot. So we bridge this gap by giving you access to your files on the right records. At the same time, we also add a very powerful external layer of sharing over your files by converting them to CloudFiles links. You can set security on your files, streamline your customers' viewing experience, collect analytics, and use it in all sorts of automations. This is very useful for sales, marketing, as well as service teams. So let me quickly show you how this is done. So I'm on a HubSpot contact right now, and once I have Cloud Files installed, this widget is going to appear on all of my contact company deal and ticket records. I can simply click on this add button, and you see all of these options are going to appear. You can click on this gear icon and choose which all you want to see and hide. Now I can just go into one of my drives, and initially there's going to be a simple one-time connection process. And now you see my files instantly show up from my Google Drive. This applies to OneDrive, SharePoint, and we're going to add other options as well. Now I can just select the files and I can do the same for folders as well. And I'm gonna add these to contact. At the same time, I'm also gonna create a publicly shareable link. So let's do that. And now you see this link appears. At the same time, if I just close this dialog, this file has also been attached to my contact. So whenever I come back, I have access to this. I can click on this and go to my Google Drive directly. And I can configure the link settings from here. At this point, I can send this link any way I want, and I'm also going to configure some of these settings. There are a bunch of security and notification settings that you can set right from the HubSpot record. And once you send this file, this is what your customer is going to see. So you see, this is a simple two-page Google Doc that has now become sort of like a website. There are a bunch of options available, such as white labeling or putting on your chatbot. And there are a bunch of other innovations that we are going to do on this viewer. And now, if I come back to my HubSpot, I can also see the analytics associated with this file. So you see, I have this detailed analytics, I have page by page analytics. At the same time, I can use all of these things in my workflows and my dynamic list. We provide a bunch of events that you can use to configure your automations. And finally, just touching upon the marketing use case. So as a marketer, you may not want to upload your documents on HubSpot Contact. So we provide this independent app at app.cloudfiles.io, and you can just come here, do the same thing, just configure your library, connect your library, and start creating multiple links for these. And all of the analytics that is being collected and all of those automations can be performed the same way in HubSpot. You will get your contacts created, you will get timeline activities, plus you can also run all sorts of workflows and lists on that. So this was a quick demo of the HubSpot app, and I hope you can get started now.